If you're looking for a new quality blender, the Vitamix 5200 could be your ideal choice due to its interesting features and fluid performance. So let's get straight into the topic and reveal what's so special about it. Aesthetically speaking, you can find this blender in two color editions, black and white. However, keep in mind that the only difference between them is the color. They both perform equally well. To be more specific, the entire unit weighs about 10.5 pounds, while the container is made from BPA-free plastic and holds 4 pounds, which means at the same time you can make big batches of soup, beverages and ice cream. When it comes to performance, the Vitamix 5200 has a 2 horsepower motor. This forceful blender uses 1380 watts to power through a variety of tasks, enough power to grind, puree, mix, blend or crush different foods. Moving on, this machine has 10 variable high-powered speeds with an RPM range of 500 to 37,000, which handles tougher blends with ease, giving you the power to control blending at slower speeds. Furthermore, with such a powerful motor, you can easily make everything from a simple fruit smoothie, crush ice, or healthy, creamy peanut butter, which is nearly impossible to be made without a blender of this caliber. However, as it's known for powerful blenders, this one's motor is also a bit loud, but not to the point where you can't bear it. Moreover, when it comes to cleaning, it's worth mentioning that this unit has a quality build with easy-to-clean materials, so you won't really have to worry about losing time with this. With just one rinse, it's all clean. Generally, if we combine all these great features into one piece, you'll realise that this is a must-have blender, and the price therefore is not that bad. To conclude, if you're looking for a powerful blender that looks and performs premium, this one could be your ideal choice.